Ruud VRF is built with 360-degree approach to product design, paying attention to the smallest detail to deliver the ultimate product, installation, and serviceability experience to the consumer. Central to Ruud product design is our emphasis on 360-degree pillars: performance, installability, serviceability, durability, and integration. Ruud VRF offers best-in-class features in each of these areas. 360-degree performance. Variable evaporating temperature technology enables system to run in 3 modes: turbo mode for faster cooling, high-efficiency mode for lower energy consumption, or basic mode to balance between comfort and efficiency. Enhanced subcooling. Specially designed condenser tubing routing ensures maximum subcooling of liquid refrigerant, which further gets cooled by plate heat exchanger. Increased subcooling improves cooling performance at high ambient temperature. Wide temperature range. Ruud's VRF works satisfactorily in scorching Gulf climate with outside temperature being as high as 56 degrees centigrade. 360-degree installability. Long piping capability. Auto refrigerant charging makes commissioning easier by ensuring precise amount of refrigerant charged in the system. This function eliminates chances of human error and reduces commissioning time. 360-degree serviceability. Engineering mode. Auto dust removal. Auto dust removal function with reversible fan is extremely useful in desert conditions, saving time and cost of service. Auto backup mode. Auto pump down. In case of servicing requirement, refrigerant from piping and indoor units can be pumped down to outdoor unit, saving refrigerant cost and recommissioning time. 360-degree durability. Durable components. Ruud VRF is equipped with components from renowned global brands. Durable parts make the system reliable in varying weather and load conditions, ensuring uninterrupted cooling. Durable components further ensure cost efficiency and minimal maintenance. Refrigerant-cooled PC board. Ruud VRF comes with refrigerant-cooled electronic boards to ensure optimal working temperature for longer life and less maintenance. Refrigerant cooling arrangement enables system to work at ambient temperature of up to 56 degrees Celsius. 360-degree integration. Ruud's modern VRF system provides various controlled options integrated at multiple levels. Touchscreen wired control for ducted indoor units control units individually, or up to a group of 16 units in the same system. Elegant-looking touchscreen central controller controls up to 256 indoor units from multiple systems. Controlling multiple units as a group or individual offers great flexibility in cooling large spaces. Central controller can take input from fire panel to switch off the unit as required. Centralized control software controls 4,096 indoor units from 64 systems. Building management system with Mobus and BACnet capability. Tenant billing system. Proportional power distribution software distributes electricity consumption bill to individual users based on usage. Tenant billing system makes Rheem VRF best suited for multi-tenant facilities. Wide range of products. With best-in-class performance, lasting durability, easy and scalable installation options, self-diagnostics, self-commissioning serviceability features, and multi-level integration, Ruud is an obvious choice whether you are looking for an upgrade or a new VRF system.